We all know that getting leads is massively important when it comes to making money online. So what if I told you that you can multiply your leads by 4 times or even 10 times? Would you then be willing to give me a compliment? No? Okay, let me just show you. Let's say that for our landing page we have 100 clicks. And let's say for every click we have paid $1. This is for paid ads. But for free traffic you can just count this as 1 hour. That means that we have paid $100. The average conversion rate to a lead is about 10%. So that means that we have 10 leads which all have cost $10. But now watch this. Let me just do this times 4. So we have 4 times our leads. That means that every lead is just $2.50. Or let's say we do it times 8. So 8, that means that every lead is $1.25. So now instead of just 10 leads, we have 40 leads or 80 leads. And we have also paid less per lead. Now that is of course incredibly powerful, but how does it work? Let's say someone has gone to your landing page and he has gotten your lead magnet. So right now we have 1 lead, but now let's do a really simple trick. And now this lead has the possibility to turn into 2 leads. And then we're gonna do the simple trick again. And then this lead has the possibility to turn in another lead as well. And then this lead as well. And now we have 4 leads. So how are we going to do that? It's really simple. We are going to ask him to share our lead magnet with someone that they know. And then they have the possibility to share the lead magnet with another person. That person has the same possibility. That person has the same possibility. And that person has the same possibility as well, which means that the amount of leads that you could possibly get is endless. And I'm gonna show you a crazy way that you can implement this into your landing page in just a minute, so keep watching. And now what's so powerful about this method is that it isn't just for one person, because the lead can share it with multiple persons, maybe 2 or maybe even 3. But how can we motivate them into sharing our lead magnet? So we can do 2 things. One is making our lead magnet so incredibly well that he will want to share this with someone he knows. Then the second option is really simple. So what we're gonna do is we have that lead, so we have the 1 lead. What we're gonna do is we're going to ask it to share it, and in return we are going to give him another lead magnet, maybe a template, or let's say you're in the make money online niche, that you're just going to give it a landing page template. Then if he shares it with another person, you're going to give it an email template. Then with another person, you're going to give him a free course or something like that. So you're basically giving out bonuses to the lead if he shares your lead magnet with another person. And now one of the best ways to make sure that this will work is to have your lead magnet and also the bonuses be made really well, which means that they will actually provide a lot of value to your lead. And now another fun trick that you can use is you can use this, so you can use the lead magnet and you can use the bonuses. And what you're gonna do is you are going to make those bonuses and you are not going to make them available anywhere else. So you're not going to sell them, you're not going to give them away for free anywhere. You're just going to do it if someone shares your lead magnet. This way the bonus will be even more special and people will be even more inclined to share your lead magnet. So right now I'm going to show you step by step how you can put this inside of your landing page. I'm using System.io as my funnel builder and email marketing software. So if you want to use System.io, you can create a free account with the link in the description. It is my affiliate link, so keep that in mind. Then create your funnel. And now this is the layout that you should use for your share funnel. So the first page is of course the landing page where they can sign up for your lead magnet. Then the second page will be a thank you page where you will thank them for signing up, and that's where you will ask them to share. Then you're going to create the share page, which is the landing page exactly, but with the share. Now the reason we want to have a landing page and a share landing page is because we don't want the share buttons to be on the first landing page. It will not hold any value, especially if you are running paid advertisement. Then having big share buttons at the top of your landing page will make sure that people are converting less. So now that you know the overview, I'm going to show you how to set this up. So you're gonna go to the thank you page and click on edit page. Then on the thank you page, when you've told them like thank you for signing up, then you are going to add some extra text at the bottom right here. Then you're going to say this: do you know anyone that might benefit from the lead magnet unit's name as well. Now this is without the bonuses, so what you could do is you can simply just copy this text and then write right there, and you will get this bonus. Then for the button you will write share the lead magnet. And now here comes the most important part, because what you want to do is the action when button clicked, you want to set this to next step URL, which means that they will send people to the next step if they click on this button right here. Now that we have done that, we need to change the share landing page. So you need to go to the landing page and click on edit page. Right now we are going to add the share buttons. So just add a row right here at the top, and then we're going to sharethis.com. Now I will link this down below so you can easily find it. And then when you are on this page, just click on activate now. Right here you can choose the different share buttons, and you are going to click on inline share buttons. Now right here you can customize your share buttons. So what you want to do is you want to set them to large, and right here you can click which share buttons you want to appear. Now this share button right here, it will show everything, so that's always handy to have it right there. And also a one that I really like is the copy button right here, in case someone just wants to copy it and send it to someone via whatever. So now this is what it will look like, and you need to click on next, and then right here you will need to sign up, which is completely free. So right now we are on this page, and what we need to do is this. You need to copy this code right here and then go to your funnel editor. Then you need to click on settings right here and scroll down where it says edit header code. Then click on it and simply paste the code right here and click on save. Then you just want to click away, go right here and scroll down where it says raw HTML. Then drag this into the row that we have just created and click on it. Then click on edit code right here and delete this bit. Then go back to share this, scroll down and copy this code. Then go back and paste it in right here and click on save. Then click on continue to dashboard. You do need to add your domain because look, it doesn't allow you to click off. And now you can see that we have the share right here. Another thing that you want to do is you want to put text above the HTML and put share with a friend. And now you can see that this works because if I click on share and click on copy and I paste it right here, it will be still the same URL. So what it will do is it will share this page right here. So if you want to edit your buttons, you just click on the enable tools, and right here you will click on customize your share buttons. And then you can change them from small, medium, large. For example, I want to add this one, this one, this one, like whatever you want, you can edit it. And that is essentially how this method works. So now everyone that comes to your page will have the possibility to share your lead magnet. And now another powerful thing that you can do in order to make sure that this works even better is to put this inside of the welcome email as well. So in the welcome email, you will of course welcome them, give them their lead magnet, and also ask them to share this with a friend. And now you can do this multiple times, like you can send out multiple emails asking them to share this with a friend or a family member or someone they know. And that is how you can potentially create from one lead 10 leads, because it is of course endless. If every lead shares it with someone and they share it and they share it and they share it and they share it, then even one lead has the possibility to turn into 100 leads. So if you got some value out of this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and check this video out if you want to see me try to make money by watching videos. But for now, have a great day.